If an investment earns compound interest, then the annual percentage yield is the simple interest rate that yields the same amount at the end of 1 year. And so what we're doing here is we're saying essentially what's the effective annual rate that you're earning. So for example, if I earn 10% interest compounded monthly, then that means that each month I earn a twelfth of 10% of interest. And if each month I get that, but I'm earning it on the previous balance that I have in there, I mean I'm earning on interest, that means I actually end up with a little bit more than 10% after 1 year. And so that percentage that I actually did increase is called the annual percentage yield. So let's just look at a quick example. This is our formula, okay, and you'll notice that all we've done here is essentially gotten rid of the principal, okay, because we just want to look at the rate itself, and then we've plugged in t equals 1 because we're just looking at after 1 year. So let's go ahead and do an example. Find the annual percentage yield for an investment that earns interest at a rate of 6% per year, compounded daily. So our annual percentage yield is 1 plus r over n to the n minus 1. So r is our annual rate, which is the 6%, so 0.06. And then divide this by n, which is the number of times compounded per year. And so for compounding daily, that is 365 times per year. And then again, we raise that to the n, so to the 365, and then we subtract 1. And then this, we just need to plug into our calculator. And this gives us 0.0618. I'll go ahead and just stop there for rounding. And so this here is then our annual percentage yield. If we want to write that as a decimal, we can say that's 6.18%. Okay. And so this is essentially saying that if I have a 6% but compounded daily, after 1 year, I actually end up with an increase of 6.18%.